Hey guys, so today we are going to do some exercise, walking exercise only at your own home with no equipment, just you and your walking. This exercise is suitable for beginners. If you are still overweight, this is also perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get this started. Let's start with regular walk. Reminder to keep your chest up throughout this workout and swing your arm like this. Alright, you can rest, but if you want, you can also continue to the next move. Alright guys, next, lateral walk with some shoulder presses to the side. If you're a beginner, rest now. But if you want, you can continue. Don't stop until the next move. Next, we are going to do some ha and ha. Tap diagonally to the side and do some shoulder press.
Standing alone under the Rockefeller tree, you're shining brighter than the light, and it's almost Christmas Eve. Do I reach out again, or just leave you all alone? Do I ask if you are okay, or lose my chance at love? I will give you my heart, everything that you'll ever need.
You can rest now or do not stop. Prepare for the next move. Front and back. Step. Step. Keep moving on those arms. Use your back, use your arm muscle.
This is meant to be, and as the snow starts to fall, this could be the love that you need.
Keep on going or prepare for the next move.
As you fall into my arms, can I be a guardian angel and chase away the dark? I will give you my
Alright, next, double punch and tap. You can also bend your knees a little bit, but if you cannot do it, just do this with a straight knee.
with me. I wish you'd spend your Christmas with me.
You can keep going or rest and prepare for the next move. Next up, power walk.
Everything's alright. Staring at the mirror, feeling safe.
Keep your core tight throughout this.
Water. Everything's alright. Staring at the mirror, slipping out of sight. Nothing's getting clearer. But if we keep on losing touch, where will we go? And since we keep closing our eyes, what do we know?
You can rest and prepare for the next move, or you can keep going until the next one.
And since we keep closing our eyes, what do we know?
We're gonna do some curtsy and rows. Use your back, use your hand muscles, your shoulders, and you can also bend your knee a little bit if you can.
But if we keep on losing touch, where will we go? And since we keep closing our eyes, what do we know? But if we keep on losing touch, where will we go? And since we keep closing our eyes, what do we know? Everything's
Keep on going or rest for 15 seconds until the next move.
feeling safe and sound, hiding underwater. Everything's alright. Staring at the mirror,
Let's go the same thing on the other side.
nothing's getting clearer. But if we keep on losing touch, where will we go? And since we keep closing our eyes, what do we know? But if we keep on losing touch, where will we go? And since we keep closing.
Keep on going, you guys. You can do this. Just 10 minutes at your own home, just walking with no equipment. If this is too hard for you, just rest 15 seconds between each move. Next, we're gonna do some side walk and shoulder press. Side walk and some shoulder press. Rest for 15 seconds if you want. Keep going if you want. The world is in your oysters. Next, some diagonally walk. Punch, 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 punch.
Run that track. Just my kicks, they cost a stack. My whole fit don't know about that. Get low, jump on back. Pop in the perk, this shit is absurd. I am the man, what you heard. I get the skrilla, I guess that paper, I guess that moolah. Leave 'em with vapors.
Keep on going on the other side, the same thing, you guys. This is our last move. Do not stop. Keep on breathing. In through the nose, out through the mouth.
Shit is absurd. I am the man, what you heard. I get this
For all of you beginners out there, time's up.
with vapors.
If you want to challenge yourself, 10 seconds more. Whoever you are, wherever your level is, I am here with you. We are here together, guys. Good job, finish. Okay, that was our 10 minutes walking at your own home. So if you have 10 minutes to check your social media, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it might be, you also have 10 minutes to do this walking workout. So thank you very much. See you on my next video.